Hey, this is George with the Homebrewer and Home Brewing Co in San Diego. I just wanted to do a quick little chat about using priming sugar. Now, what is priming sugar? It is the sugar that we add during bottling to basically refeed the yeast so that they create a little bit more CO2 for us. But that CO2 is going to be captured by the lid and thus carbonate our beverage for us. So the beer that we'll be dealing with is fermented flat beer. And after we've moved it into our bottling bucket, we can then mix in some priming sugar. The ratio is about 0.7 ounces to 1 ounce per gallon of beer. Or we can use these little carbonation tablets or carbonation drops, just use the instructions on there, and you also have a range of how much carbonation you'd like to achieve. But generally speaking, the more sugar we add, the more carbonation we get. Now it totally depends because that's a moving target depending on how long that beer has been sitting there. In other words, how long some of the CO2 that's already in the beer from fermentation has already escaped. But the gist is we're just going to take the appropriate amount of priming sugar or dextrose and then sanitize that. I like to just use a pint glass that I fill halfway. I heat it to 180 degrees, mix in my sugar, stir it up, and then add that to the to the bottling bucket. And that's pretty much the gist. So once that has been mixed in and you've very gently mixed it, we do want to watch out that we're not oxidizing it by being too vigorous with it. Then we're going to go from there to our bottle, and we'll have some other videos on that. But that's the gist on priming sugar. Enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, either here, like, subscribe, etc. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.